Okay, the bottom is complete all the way around. Didn't oil it yet, but I'll do that last. Oh, I can put the goals in. Yeah, that's one thing I can do yet. So it looks great. So I'm going to need some help flipping it over. And then I'll be able to pull the sawhorses out. And I'm not going to need them for now. So I always say that one project leads to another. And this is looking so good. I decided this room needs to look better. This is something I've thought about for several years, but really just didn't feel I had the time and wasn't sure if I wanted to even try it. And that is put down a natural stone floor out of countertop remnants, just like we did in the bungalow, only I'm going to use bigger pieces. I'm hoping it will go faster. And here I don't have to carry them downstairs. Even though we're in the basement, we can come in at ground level. Well, there's stairs there, but they're concrete. So I've already brought in some pieces. Pretty big ones. They're warming up. I'm going to have to clean them off then. And some of them have overcuts, so I'll have to probably do some braking there. Figure out what I'm going to do, like break this off. I see some stickers. I'll take them off. Kind of prepare them. And then what I'd like to do is dry lay this whole area. Get it all worked out how it's going to fit. Maybe just go over here to the stone, because I can do that later when I do this area. But at least I could do to there. And kind of prepare this whole area. Now I swept down the wall, and yeah, you can keep sweeping and sweeping, but I got the loose stuff down. I swept this whole area. It's not perfectly clean, but this old concrete, you can keep sweeping it. So it's not going to do any good to just keep doing that. And the other thing I've decided is I'm going to put a little trench, just like the bungalow has, along the edge in some areas. So if any moisture or water does get in, I'd like it to stay in that trench. So we don't get much moisture, but super hard rain, we do get some along this side. So it's going to be a lot of work to pull all this out, but eventually I would like to do it. And go right over here to the door area now. Luckily it's low enough I don't even really have to cut the door off. I'll just go up to a certain point and then feather out the concrete. Okay, so the foosball project has led to another one, but I think it's going to look really cool. And we'll do some more videos on this.